but they're really
Okay.
comfortable. They just fit really great. They really move with you here. So it's going to be kind of towards the back, but it's going to give you just that nice opening, can kind of show as you're walking. It's just going to be a really easy way to kind of stay nice and fluid. And it also helps with the drape. So as I'm coming here, I'm wearing a flatter shoe. I'm wearing these beautiful Revitalign sandals that are coming up later on in the show. And rather than having this be a little bit tighter, and maybe that's going to make it look a little bit crunchy here and folded, right? Having that little extra kick just allows it to lay very, very nicely, Jackie. I really love that.
Yeah, they're great.
Have that little opening in the back. You can still easily roll these up. So really versatile to wear these. I did pop it on when I have in their closet. How long you're going to be wearing
Right.
these. Right now, from 73 down to 44.90.
These higher end materials on the upper. So you've got that nice linen and leather. And then there are also 2 points of goring. So they're giving you just the right amount of stretch for you to put your foot into. And then as you're walking, it's going to give you the room.
Yes,
So it was like
exactly.
everything I could possibly ask for. So I love